Are there people you spend time with who drain your energy? Perhaps you're always leaving feeling exhausted or in a worse mood than before. Throughout life, you'll meet a lot of different types of people. Some may become lifelong friends, whilst others should be avoided at all costs. But how do you differentiate between these kinds of people? Well, to help you out, here are 6 types of people you should avoid at all costs. Number 1, the self-absorbed. Are they always only thinking about themselves? Self-absorbed individuals believe that the world revolves around them. Because of this, you may notice that they don't and won't give much thought about you. Even though you're in their company, you may find yourself feeling abandoned and lonely. This occurs because they believe that there is no use or point in having a genuine relationship with anyone else. You're just a way for them to boost their self-esteem. Number 2, the manipulator. Do they drain your time and energy? Manipulators will try to know everything about you, from your likes and dislikes to other detrimental things about your personal life, and utilize this information to further their own hidden purpose. You may even notice that most of your conversations are about getting to know you, with little or no contribution from them. They'll go to any length to win you over so they can use what they know to manipulate you later on. Number 3, the judgmental. Are they quick to tell you what is and isn't cool? Perhaps they have a knack for making you feel bad about the things that you care about the most. Instead of acknowledging and learning from the different kinds of people in life, judgmental people will look down on others and judge them for being different from themselves. They'll judge every aspect of your life and leave you feeling worthless or embarrassed about the things that you like and the qualities that make you who you are. Therefore, it's best to avoid them at all costs. Number 4, the gossipers. Gossipers take pleasure in the downfall of others. It may seem amusing at first to pry into someone else's personal or professional blunders, but it can quickly become tiresome and make you feel filthy, especially when it causes harm to others. Gossipers like to spread rumors, look down on you, and never miss an opportunity to point out any of your mistakes. This toxic habit of talking about things that don't involve them is one of the main reasons why you should avoid them. Number 5, the envious. The grass is always greener on the other side for envious individuals. Even when something wonderful happens to them, they'll find a way to be unsatisfied with it. This happens because they tend to compare their fortunes or misfortunes to that of the rest of the world when they should accept the outcomes and work on them. And let's face it, if you look hard enough, you'll always find someone who is doing better. And it can become unhealthy to spend too much time with people who get jealous easily, since they'll always look for ways to make you feel bad about your own accomplishments instead of cheering you on. And number 6, the hypocrites. If you discover that a person's beliefs vary by the minute and that they never follow through on what they say, then you found yourself a hypocrite. It's impossible to predict a hypocrite's course of action. They may be nice and kind to you one minute and then hurt you the next. Such people are motivated solely by their own self-interest. For this reason, you should avoid them at all costs. Do you have friends or coworkers that sound like the types we've mentioned? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who might benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified